Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Mazda 2 Neo Sport, stock reference number 3927-77. The shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 9th month 2014. It has a ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage. Right hand headlight. Left door appears to have no damage. Left rear door also appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch alloy mags. Left rear has a good tyre. Left tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. And a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black center console. Automatic gear shifter. Heated controls. Single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Courtesy lamp. Left sun visor. Right sun visor. Instrument cluster. And a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.